Hey, Dr. Coleman, is drinking red wine every day risky or safe?
Well, drinking wine, red wine, whether it's red or white, I don't know, makes any difference, is somewhat of a risk. If you have that genetic vulnerability for addiction, then it can lead you down that path pretty quickly to drinking more and more and getting into negative consequences and not even seeing it, being in denial and ending up with alcoholism. For people who don't have that vulnerability, then it's probably relatively safe. In fact, a few years ago it came out that, maybe it cuts down on heart attacks and strokes having red wine. That's probably less powerful than it used to be, but not clear whether it really does give you any benefit to drinking that. The sort of jury's out on that. But drinking it every day, it does have some negative effects. I mean, it's a toxic chemical. Alcohol is a poison, and so it is killing things. We use alcohol to wipe down surfaces in hospitals that we don't want any bacterial viruses. And so when you take it, even in small amounts, it's killing some brain cells. It's having some negative effects. So it can have some negative effects. Most people who don't have the genetics for it, don't get into major trouble, so that's fine. But even with them, sometimes it can affect marriages in little ways. It can affect relationships and communication ability. It can lead to falls, especially as people get older. So I just think, people have to really think carefully about whether they're doing something like that every day or why they're doing it, and is it the risk and the benefit in their favor.